We're live. How we doing? How we doing, everyone? How we doing? Wednesday is here. I was going to say Thursday then. I don't know why I keep thinking it's Thursday today. No idea why. Wednesday is here. Fair bit of news we've had already. Is there any more to have today? I think there is on the hour in there. Oh, I've got nothing up. Few sets, guys. Bear with me 2 seconds. I'm a bit behind as always. And we should be back. Cool. Yes, we've had some news at 8:30. Got some news in about 15 minutes. It's only yellow folder though, it's nothing to worry about. And then we've got red folder on the hour at 10 AM. Just get my timer set up for that. It's only what, 35-minute timer. Alright, that is set up. So yeah, PCE at 10 AM. So you might have seen I'm in a trade on gold. Still holding. Profit target is up here. So still feeling decent about it. Been trying to hold my trades longer. Yeah, this is a sort of level that we could get a little reversal from. I'm expecting a bit of a pullback at New York Open. Possibly even to come down and tap here again. And then a push up. But basically took a long off this low down here. We've bounced off a few times down here now. And every time we've pushed up, we've had a nice decent push up. So yeah, I'm hoping that we can get a nice tap on here, and it will sort of line up with a trend line as well. Another tap into that trend line. So that's where the TP is. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. See how it goes on there. How's the market been treating you lately? Not amazing. Not amazing. I've been struggling a bit this year, to be honest. On my fundeds, I've had a really rough year compared to sort of how I was doing last year. It's been really crap. And yeah, I'm sort of dabbling in some other stuff at the minute on challenge accounts and stuff, trying to find something that works better in different conditions. Why has the music stopped? Oh, there you go. But yes, other than that, mate, not too bad. What about you? Right, should we get a poll up? I want to know what your thoughts are for the day. I'm a bit uncertain, to be honest. I think I said that yesterday as well. Can't spell session apparently. Let me know what your thoughts are for the session. I don't know, for me it's either gonna... We've got another level here. We're either gonna sweep this and then push back up, or we're gonna come like proper sell off, I think. The only thing that's making me feel like we could maybe wait. We've still got non-farm payroll to come, so maybe we'll wait for that for the sell off. But yeah, this is on the higher time frame. This is an area where I would have thought we would sell off. Tapped into it. Basically, mainly this morning, I think 9 AM UK time. I think we tapped into it. The level that I have marked out. Didn't really sort of notice until after we tapped into it and sold off. And yeah, obviously regretting not trading it now. So yeah, my thoughts are, so we've tapped into this sort of higher time frame level. Do we sell off now and just completely melt away, and then maybe Thursday, Friday retrace back up? Or do we sweep this level, come back up for a retest, and then maybe Thursday, Friday sell off? That's what I'm unsure about. Or maybe we just carry on chopping around until next week and we sell off. I don't know. We're definitely due a sell off at some point, I think. When it comes, I don't know. Fair enough, been killing the markets this year. Hopefully towards the end of the year I'll be able to go full time. Oh, hopefully, Luke, mate. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Congratulations. It's good as well, considering it's been how the markets have been. They've been a bit all over the place, and they all over the show. But I'm needing to adapt to them because yeah, it's not current market conditions are not suiting my strategy. I don't know why the music's pausing and then taking it just to play the next song. Lewis, afternoon, mate. How you doing? How you doing? Alright, 3 minutes into open. We train the year come June. Oh, that's good, man. That's good for short space of time. I think around a similar time, I think would be my second year. I think May, June time I started, 23. And yeah, it's been up and down. It's been a roller coaster. I've taken 3k in payouts, basically from my trading towards the end of last year, and then but yeah, struggling a bit since. What up, fam? How you doing, mate? Hope all is well. Alright, what we got a minute and a half. Yeah, so I'm fully expecting a bit of a retrace on this gold trade at New York Open. Or, even better, we just push straight up to take profit. That'd be nice. You self-teach or go down the course, mentor route? Self-taught, mate. Wow. Self-taught from various free crap on YouTube, basically. I've never paid for anything. Too cheap to do that. I think the most important thing that you need is experience. I think a course can speed that up, but either way you need the experience. You need literally just hours and hours and hours and hours and hours in the charts. The same with anything. To become an expert in anything, you need, what is it, 10,000 hours? Is that what they say? And yeah, I think a course could probably accelerate that, but hoping to lock out another 2.3k before the end of the week and then taking another 5k out. Nice one, Lewis. Killing it, man. You trade gold now. Nice. I'm 90% a gold trader. Oh, nice one, man. Yeah, I dabble in it here and there. I'm probably 20% a gold trader. I found this morning NQ very choppy. I think I had 3 break-even trades this morning on NQ. Where was it? Get down to the 1 minute. I don't know what's going on with the music. Every time I get off the tab, it stops after the song. But as soon as I open the tab back up, it starts playing again. That's going to get really on my nerves. So yes, entered here this morning, not long after London Open, off a smaller 5-minute zone here. Moved to break even pretty quick because I was fully expecting the possibility of this zone wanting to be tapped into. So he got stopped out here, which I think was a news candle, I think this. We then rallied up from tap into there. I've then entered again on the retest of the zone down here. Added another one, which is another perfect add entry. But trailed my stop too aggressively. Stopped out, basically break even for a small profit. We then rallied up from there. My take profit was just above this high, so we would never have got there, to be fair. But I might have considered taking it off here. Possibly, or I would at least trailed it up a bit higher. Got a bit more out of it. And then there was another one, I think, on the micros. I tried taking a quick one off VWAP. Moved to break even very quickly afterwards, just to make sure. And I mean, it probably would have played out if I'd left it, but I wanted to see a quick response. We didn't get it. Stopped out for break even. So then I moved over to gold. Got fed up. So yeah, it looked like the indices were selling off then, which I think is a good sign for gold. A lot of people say gold is inversely correlated with the indexes. I do find it sometimes, but not like amazingly. Not like what like dollar is. So I don't put too much thought into it. Yeah, the fact that we've sold off all morning on or the last couple of hours on NQ has helped me out on gold, I think. So having a baby soon, started training a couple of months after my first, and it gives you another level of motivation. Yes, I can imagine, man. It did make me pull my finger out a little bit. Yeah, congrats on your one as well, man. That's 10,000 hours of doing the same thing. There is where trading differs, but your strat 10,000 times will make it a bulletproof. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I think with trading it varies so much, doesn't it? You can have different strategies, conditions change. Like, I don't think you can just do this exactly the same thing day in, day out. I think it has to be changed up a little bit here and there occasionally, if not a lot sometimes. So nice 65-point candle open. We're being adaptive from trading price action as a winner. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to move over to. Rather than doing what I was doing on the fundeds, I'm trying to, which is very rigid. It's only decent in certain conditions, and if it's playing ball. Yeah, I want to do something that's a bit more adaptable. That's what I need to do. Me, if you have a strong foundation, it should never change, but how you execute may have to, depending on the market conditions. Yeah, that's what I meant. Like, sometimes you might have to increase your stop loss, sometimes you might have to decrease your stop loss. Same with like profit targets and alright, we're still looking alright. Yeah, I was expecting a little bit of a sell-off to start off with. I'm hoping we don't get it because I don't want the stress. Like, ideally, I'll be at break even now, but I really want to sort of take this high before moving to break even. And yeah, just because it wouldn't be the wildest thing in the world for it to pull back after New York Open tap into this again and then push off. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just sort of open to that, but I don't really want it to. But yeah, fingers crossed if I can close this out at full take profit. That well eats into my early losses yesterday. What was I down yesterday in the end? 500 when I on this. Really nice buy. Cheers, man. Yeah, literally just targeting a buy at this level here. Plenty of time has been respected. This will be the 5th, I think. These are the sort of trades that I need to be sort of taking. Bigger picture levels and the extremes of the ranges, do you know what I mean? So rather than trying to trade too much in the middle of here, wait until we're at the extreme edges. Chances are we're going to respect it, and the one chance we don't, it will break through. That's going to happen, obviously, but I've got far more chance of being right more often than wrong if I'm only taking these sort of trades. Right, let's move to break even, I think. Come on, keep going, keep going. Oh, the poll is 50-50 today. Where are we back now? NQ selling off, that's good for my gold trade. %, reckon short, then 42% choppy, long 14%. Alright, I suspect we've taken that level, haven't we, on yeah. So that is the low from a little while ago. 25th. When was that? Was that Monday? Might have been Friday's low. So we could potentially sweep this and pull back in, or we could really sell off. The big target's down here if we get going, but I don't know if we'll do it. It's a big day if we do. That's me done. 1.9 for the day. 900 top up on the opening 3-minute rejection. Oh, nice one, Lewis. Nice one. That's like an idea when it finished nice and early for the day. Got yourself out. Considering closing this now. We just swept that level on NQ, haven't we? That's still looking heavy though at the minute. This playlist is getting on my nerves. Why is it doing this? Let's see how we react to this NQ level around 165s. Yeah. Yeah, I think if we push up aggressively in the next maybe sort of 5 minutes, we could be looking at a sweep and then pull back into the range. Or even better, we sell off. Boom, boom. There is Windows 25s, what I don't know. Not too bad. Yeah, we're a couple of minutes until the 15-minute closes. So yeah, if we close below this level, that'll be pretty bearish for me. Morning, Tak, how you doing? Like it's good, yeah, I know, man. It's been a bit wild. Been a wild morning. Quick profits, wait for the next leg, yeah. I've exited there. Not worth it for that, just a little bit more. NQ is forming a little green candle. It's turning red again now, but can't really complain. But yeah, where was my target? Up here somewhere, wasn't it? So keep an eye on it. But I was tempted to move my, just trail it up to below this 5-minute bar, but I'd rather get another little bit out of it and just close it there. Well, that's enough for this day. Now it will be in the range, yeah, potentially. I was fine that with the big moves before. "30 seconds till this 15-minute bar closes." Good night for news, brothers. Oh yes, news. There's yellow folder drop in now. What was it? Chicago PMI. But then yeah, red folder in 15. Bam, 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 bam. So yeah, this could be an area where we reverse, couldn't we? Probably got support here. Maybe a little zone there. Yes, be interesting to see what's occurring now. Yeah, nice bearish close outside this this level. So maybe we could sell off, but the thing that puts me off is we've already moved down a decent bit, haven't we? 412 points. Big sell off. But it's tapped into a higher time frame level. Definitely could sell off more. 600 points isn't unheard of a lot of times, is it? So Clay, how you doing, mate? Good to see you. Good to see you. Going good this morning. Had 3 break-even trades during the London session. But then just took a nice long on gold. Yeah, 1200 from that. So. Cannot complain. Power 4 sellers, remember, don't let the knife catch you. So, I mean, that was my thoughts, as we definitely could move into here, couldn't we? But the hand, how you doing, mate? How you doing? News in 10 minutes. Bum, 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 bum. Nice little tap off that level. This rebound 375 could be possible. 375. Yeah, yeah, for sure, man. Be around probably where VWAP would be as well. Leo, how you doing, mate? Oh, this morning I was listening to trader Tom. I was watching his live stream from yesterday. I don't know if anyone else was listening to it. And he was just absolutely ripping into one of his viewers. Being absolutely savage. I was fucking cracking up. I'll have to see if I can find it. I need to be more like Tom. Where's my history? Oh, what? My history's gone. Same trader Tom. Right, live.
Then when you show them, oh yeah, of course, yeah.
I don't know how well you guys can hear that.
I just don't understand that mentality. And then when you show them, oh yeah, of course, yeah, yeah. But it's literally right there. It says settings. And
Some guy was asking him how to make his
it says
the video footage more clearer.
You know? Come on, don't be that guy. It's like literally. I don't think that I control what setting YouTube is playing in. And it's just, come on. It's really not that hard.
He was going for honesty for a couple of minutes, just ripping into this fucking geezer. It made me think, obviously, when people sometimes give me shit on stream, I just pretty much ignore them, but maybe I should just rip into them.
Trouble me. It's like, I don't know, you were sitting watching a tennis match. So, Roger Federer, is that a double bow on your shoelaces? Can you teach me how to do that? Sorry, man, I'm just in the middle of a match here with Nadal. Is it okay that we do it later? Yeah. Take your time. You don't have to answer my 14,000 questions that I could have looked up in Google or made an effort to do myself. No. I'd rather just waste Tom Hugart's time because, he's got fuck all else to do. He's such a rich trader, he can afford to spend 10, 15 minutes of his time just answering my gormless questions on how to refine the definition on YouTube because God forbid that I dig around or even better on YouTube going, how can I increase the definition on YouTube broadcast? But no, let's not do that. Let's ask someone for it instead. Yeah. Oh, that was perfect.
Oh, honestly, it was fucking going for fucking about 5 minutes, ripping into this geezer. Brian, his name was. Poor Brian. I mean, to be honest, he shouldn't have asked such a stupid question, but... Still. Yeah, I need to be more like Tom. That's got to be the new saying. Be more like Tom. Oh, that's going to be really loud, isn't it? Sorry, guys. What was it on before? -30, I think. Is the music alright? Not too loud? I respect content creators because I know how much I hate backseat drivers, yeah. But I was at work listening to it, fucking cracking up. Before fair play, he doesn't give a shit, does he? Right, that's what we're selling off now, boys. We're cooking up, we're cooking up. Leo, got fucked by Tradeify, changed my username and password to be easy to log in. Now I can't log in. Oh, what? I didn't even know you could change your username and password. I wanted to do mine, but didn't know you could. Maybe I won't bother. I wonder why that is. They must have, something must have gone wrong on the system somewhere. Solly, how you doing, mate? Is it winter for you guys, or coming into winter for you guys at the minute? That's how it works, isn't it? As it's coming into our summer, it's going into your winter. New job in school, wait 45 minutes. Oh yes, 2-minute news warning, guys. Sent a ticket to Apex. Apparently they're the ones who can change again. Now I'm on the hands of fate. Yeah, you're on the bloody hands waiting for them to reply and pull their finger out. What's their response time like at Apex? I've never had to deal with them. Summer for me. Where are you, Ma? You're US based, aren't you? Yeah, I think Solly is either Oz or New Zealand. I can never remember which one. They're basically the same. And yeah, I'm pretty sure for them it's basically the complete opposite to what we are in the UK. Yeah, mate, I'm rugged up at the moment. I think it's autumn at the moment, but the temperature's definitely dropping. Fair play, man. Yeah, it's just starting to get in the shorts weather really here. I need to make the annual change from trousers to shorts. What I do, especially with like work, I'll wear trousers as long as I can, but as soon as it gets to a warm day, that's it. Shorts are on, and then I will refuse to put trousers on until the winter turns up again. Even if we have a cold spell, because it's now the summer officially in my head, I'll only wear shorts. Well, yesterday, crazy if I didn't lose 700 the day before my last eval on non-real trades. I'd take on my express funded on the past. Ah, mate, I'm talking about though. At least you had a good day, and yeah, there's always another day to improve things, isn't there? When I pass, I'll be up 1k on the other fundeds. Yes, good way to think, mate. Yeah, try and think positively about it. Between 1 hour to never. That good, is it? Oh, come on, Apex, pull your fingers out, lads. Well, we had news. I forgot about news. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, Texas. I bet it's fucking warm if you're in Texas, ma. Texas is pretty much warm year round, isn't it? Or most of the year. Well, warmer than it is here anyway. Mate, it sold at the right time, didn't I? I'm glad I didn't hold out for a full take profit. Great exit. Definitely still got the potential to push up there in a bit, but far less stressful taking it off there. No rush. We say we want to trade for the rest of our lives, but we trade like our life ends tomorrow. Yeah, I get that, mate. You want everything done yesterday, don't you? You want to pass your eval yesterday. You want to take a payout yesterday. I'm exactly the same. My screen day for you on the challenge. Can't complain over 1,000 plus. Yes, mate, it's been good. Bit of a rough start. I had well, yesterday was the first day of it, and I think I was 500 down. Just couldn't read it yesterday, so I've took a bit of a breather, bit of a reset, and re-evaluated what I was doing. And yeah, I feel like I've been playing it a little bit better today. 3 break-even trades this morning during the London session, and then yeah, caught a nice pre-market gold trade. Yeah, one bad cold spell but doesn't last long. So we're sure it's during it. Got to take a start 100%, but it's easier said than done, isn't it? There's always a reason why it needs to hurry up. Something in life, do you know what I mean? You want to leave your job, like you need some money, like could be fucking anything. There's always a reason why you want to rush it. But I mean, it would be the equivalent of doing a year at uni or college or whatever you want to call it for being a doctor, but then just saying, "Oh fuck it, I think I can do surgery. Let's just wing it and see what happens. Let's just go straight in the deep end." Those are just factors in place to get us to slip up, which then sets us back even more, yeah. I was thinking this morning in the shower, as you do. The 5 days that you need to get of 200 plus is absolutely brutal. Never really thought about it before, and considering I'm sort of like I think long and hard about risk and risk management and stuff like that. It's never something I've really thought about before. But obviously, you need 200 plus days times 5, don't you, before you can get a payout. Doesn't matter what account size it is. If it's a 150k account, you need the same as a 50k account. Which is madness. On a 50k account, you literally have, it's essentially a 2 grand 2k account. So you've got to do 10% in a day 5 times before you can even get a payout, which is fucking madness. Like, ask any very long-term profitable trader, 10% a day is consistently for years is like an unrealistic thing. So it's like they're putting it in place, incentivizing you to rush it, essentially. Because unless you're doing 10% in a day, you can't get a payout. So incentivizing you to gamble. And yeah, I've never really thought about it before, but it's a bit shit, really. I want to build a buffer, then get one out and eventually my own account risk 1 to 3%. Yeah, that's the best way to do it, I think. 10% is huge. Over 50k account should be should be low and slow. You start to crop it at say 4 to 5k, then see the fruits. Yeah, that's the smartest way to play it, but no one's going to play it like that, are they? Because everyone wants to rush it. Everyone wants the money as soon as. And yeah, I just feel like it's a bit of a crappy rule to push people to gamble it because they want it as soon as. Take risks that they necessarily wouldn't take. But if the rule was you can take a payout whenever, people might not be so keen to rush into it on the lower account sizes, do you know what I mean? Might not be so keen to up their risk at the start. Maybe, I don't know. Or they'd still risk it, because why not? So the proper traders get paid, yeah, that's true. And I think that's probably how the props make their most money. Because at the face of it, it seems like that's a fair enough rule. 200 a day, fine. But when you actually think about that in percentage terms on your drawdown amount, it's crazy. Crazy to do. And yeah, like it's either risk it or gamble it, or you've probably got to wait a good couple of months before you can even consider taking a payout. Alright, is there any more news to worry about? No, we're good now, aren't we? Just some oil inventory news in a bit, but... Yeah, I can't lie, risk 200 per trade, give or take. Better than my 400 to 800 plus days with minis, yeah. They didn't gamble and refuse to learn, think it's easy, no props would exist. Those people think it's easy and quit money, yeah. Well, if there's a demand for it, people will buy it, won't they? So people will do it. Don't understand all the rules of prop firms. Trading is enough without a myriad of restrictions yet. The thing is, a lot of people can't front the initial build, you know what I mean? And I think it's not a bad way to learn using prop firms. But I also don't think they're definitely not on your side as a trader. They claim to be a lot of the times, but yeah, they're definitely not on your side. They're there to take your money, and that's that. About 5 resets to realise it's not realistic to pass 50 on 1 in 2 days as a new trader. Obviously over home runs, yeah. It's hard not to get into that mindset though. This isn't a dick move, but I get paid because people are freely giving up money for not learning, not taking action, and not owning losses. The bookie's right. Yeah, no, I completely get you, mate. Yeah, it's just the way it is. It's not. There's always going to be people throwing their money away on here. Dude from Apex just resolved my problem. Biblical. Oh, nice one, man. Oh, it wasn't too bad, was it? It wasn't too long of a wait. Still got the session to trade. Premium open range been playing up nice recently, oh, has it? Yeah, it would have done today, wouldn't it? Boom, 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 boom. Apparently Trump is giving a speech, is he? Those 25s are a good long opportunity I mentioned earlier. Yes, I did notice. Bit of a bounce off of it, didn't we? Leverage range track to paid 100 points yet. During the live stream of that Trader Tom I was watching this morning, he was saying about the if the opening candle, first 5-minute opening bar is like, say, a red one, selling above it is a very good place to sell, or if it's a green one, buying below it is a very good place to buy. And that would have played out just about today, wouldn't you, if you bought up here, that sold up here, sorry. No idea how often that works out, but thought it was an interesting concept, an interesting idea to keep an eye on. I'm open to the idea of a short here. I'm just sort of watching it. I'm only going to take it on micros though. Probably, I'm thinking 3 contracts if I do. 2 contracts, sorry. Just as I'm already up a nice little bit, I don't want to give all that away. No trade day for me. I was looking for sales. Yeah, it's difficult. I think once a move is made prior to in pre-market, I think it can be a difficult day to trade afterwards. Is it going to continue? Is it going to retrace back into it? Let's see if I can count on the 15-minute. Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's not looking overly bearish at the minute. Still lots of buyers coming in, buying it up. Just a sort of zone I was interested in, but... So doji. Ba, 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 da, da, da. Ba, ba, ba. Oh. Oh. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah, there's not really been anything to take on the funded today. I've been trying to keep an eye on it. Probably some nicer entries earlier in the pre-market. Time for my mid-afternoon cup of tea. Hope you all get a green day. That sounds fucking lovely. Might have to have a cup of tea in a minute. Good shout. I normally have one when I'm streaming, but I haven't recently. But yeah, cheers for stopping by then, mate. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow if you're around. Maybe it's not going to be a sell then. Pushing further high up into this little zone. So yeah, maybe we just fall back into the range. Yeah, shorter time, trend line would be more along here by the looks of it. Exit at the perfect time. Well, I think that's the idea of a short out my head anyway. Yeah, I could have a little decent move up now, to be honest. Got V up to get through, but to be honest, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day there. My eyes are burning. I've had a decent green day on the challenge account. I'm happy with that, to be honest. I want to try and force something else on the challenge account and eat into my win. Don't really like the idea of a trade on the funded. It's come back into the range. Doesn't look like we're going to have a trending session. So yeah, not really anything that I'm wanting to play with, to be honest. We could have a little bounce here off VWAP, but I feel like we probably ultimately push through that. Maybe come and retest this here. Yes, that's not for me. That's not for me. That'll be for the later traders, the PM boys. Right, yes, I shall be back tomorrow, normal time. Just a reminder, no stream on Friday, non-fun payroll, and we're going to have a barbecue instead. So, yes, back Thursday for the last day of the week for me. Oh, I just realised last day of the month, though, isn't it? It's always a bit of a weird day to trade that, so I'm happy with the green day. And yeah, tomorrow is the first day of the month, so that'll be interesting. May is here already. Fucking time is going fast, eh? Time is going fast. Yes. Take it easy on the rest of your trading. You're still trading. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, stopping by, guys. Good luck.